guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
My people, these people, they not let me sleep. I say, may I go peace, so I agree to now whether na good night. I want to tell now whether na good morning. I don't know. I say, may I go sleep, peace as I wake up. May I go peace, so no say if you go peace now, we don't use to phone. You must pick phone. As I say, may I pick my phone, no, make I enter Facebook. Now I see say Monica dey line. Hey, now say this middle of the night. Monica for do this movie in the afternoon. You go do am in the middle of the night. Eh? It's not clear like that now. Ha! Now our Facebook people. Monica, he carry Kate house. Go river, go wash her the way where they take the wash akpu. I don't feel laugh. I don't feel laugh because I don't want disturb. Then I check whether I lock my window. No, this mom because sleep will take me. Don't lock the window. Make I just small before sleep go take me. I bet make una help me share this video. Make you go meet Vera. My people. Ha! Monica, na wa. You should just carry Kate house, go river, go wash her. The way where they take the wash akpu. This live video presenter. I beg, make una try. Make una how they take they speak am for Igbo. Ew, for use Igbo language now. Make una try. Make una enter house. You people should enter house. Yeah? Una not the let person hear what they get. Yeah? People when they manage for abroad, una not let them manage again. People when they pay rent for abroad, una not they let them hear what they get. Una not they do so that these people they go feel say they know they try for their life. Yeah, it be like say this video when house when Monica carry come, I be like say we can use and do live video. I will make up can use and check this sit down. So if you not say aproko again, make her they help aproko now. Monica all carry house come out. Monica don't wash house, you wash. They wash and the way they wash akpu for river. Ha! This live video presenter, who say una message? Why una they wrong? Who una they do competition with? This house of 18, una they say, I buy house. I can remember almost even 15 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, people buy house for this Europe. If you tell the people, say, where the house today, they'll say, that one, I don't sell a long time. I don't sell the house. People wey buy house for Europe years back, they sell their house, they go enter rent. Even Oyibo sef, Oyibo they sell their house when they buy. They go see say the debt too much, they go sell am, they go rent apartment. House where people, you know how many people run leave house? Go IT, people run leave house. They no fit pay again. Then bank when borrow the money, bank can collect the house back. But I don't they let people when I don't understand like me now, nobody fee carry something come use and take do me. Hey, lovely, see you. I get to. All those things, we not all those things not the central house as Italian talk. You go say no me frigayente. Yeah, I no understand. I don't know why una feel say na Facebook now una wan come do mama. People get money, they know they talk. Some ladies get money wey be say they still comfortable 50%, they are okay, they know they talk. Yeah? See Kate now. Kate, see the way when Monica take carry your house come out now. He carry and go river. He go wash and the way they wash akpu. Yeah? To just will just sit down for one place now. Why go back by me? Now how they make noise? I get house, I get house, I get house, I get house. I talk and say this your house, eh? The day when you go by mistake show eh? Everywhere go make seke. See and everywhere make seke. Kate. Eh? Kate, this is high time. Eh? I just come out that day say Mona come out. I just ring bell say Mona come out for saga. All of una just run come out, carry seat, una begin to do saga. Just na play I play. Oh. I say me I go tell them say hey, why you we saga? Wala the door we saga ya na wala dian. E saga na wa wekbo. If this one finish, this one go enter. If this one finish, now me they analyze and since we don't say aproko, I was afraid they analyze and quick. You know go too much the long, like 20 minutes, like 25 minutes. If I dey analyze, I bet make una the data. Mama, you don't reach 25 minutes, so cut the video so that people go feed the watcher. Yeah. See house when Kate carry come. Why Nigeria people are like this? Now, but don't land now you just go buy. Why you no go find apartment buy? Some people they buy apartment when you see the apartment. Only waiting you want carry enter that apartment, you go carry your things enter apartment. House, I don't know whether you go buy house for Europe, you go to Mete house. I never see where you buy house for Europe, you go to Mete house. People they buy house that time. They know they go Mete, only waiting that they buy for that house. They go buy kitchen because house when you buy, you no go meet kitchen. Nothing. Because before the owner go sell that house, the owner go renovate that house. You know, the owner will renovate that house. If you are coming to that house, it's just like when you rent a house. When you rent a house that time, they will tell you, say, whether you want with mobili or you want with sese mobili. If you want with mobili, you say yes. If you want with sese mobili, you say yes. You say you first get mobili before. Eh? Una just dey make una just dey disgrace una self. See house when Kate carry come out. Kate, this one no be house. I beg. No, they tell people say you buy a house. I use God beg you. This one be like abandoned house now. Now those abandoned house wey full area. Now be this one now. When we are total, when I had that abandoned house, we were but when we here, ha. Una they try abandoned house. Keti wa ya de. Egbo wa ya vulokwa. Why you no just go buy apartment? You for just carry money, just go buy apartment. People they buy 2-bedroom apartment. People they buy a 3-bedroom apartment. Yeah, the money when you take buy kitchen, why you not use and take renovate the house? Where you are more kitchen now, where you are more one side, you just use chair sit down for kitchen. They say I buy house. I said this one, you know the let person they hear what I buy house. At the end of the house, now the house when you buy now poto. Na seke gbe na ejere just seke. About my people may I live una mo suffer they cut the matter small. Una good night.